Turn the knob manually to lower the laser head first. Power off your Lumos Flex. Use the wrench to loosen the screw first. Rotate the screw to loosen it completely. Close the lid. Remove the Lumos laser head. Cover the lens with the protector. Wrap the head with the packaging bag. Detach the exhaust hose. Remove the hose connector from the laser. Unplug the USB cable and power cord. Secure the screws on the back. Put the black foam back in place. Place the laser module back into the laser. Lift the lid. Remove the working panel. Reapply the stickers on the bottom. Put all accessories back into the tool bag. Organize the exhaust hose and tie it. Organize the power cord and tie it. Organize the power adapter wire and tie it. Organize the USB cable and tie it. Insert the power cord, USB cable and white cable into the hose. Stack two working panels together and place them back. Place the hose back into the foam. Then back the hose connector inside. Insert the two original foam blocks. Close the lid. Seal both sides of the lid with tape. Wrap the main unit with the plastic bag. Tie it securely. Place the bottom foam back into the carton. Ensure the front and back orientation is correct. Place the machine into the box. Insert the tool bag into the side hole. Insert the power adapter into the side hole. Place the top foam. Put the manual back. Close the carton and seal it with tapes.